computer network bring many advantages to users in daily life and work. First, networks allow data to be shared easily and quickly among many users, which saves time and improves cooperation. For example, people in the same company can access and edit the same documents without meeting face to face. In addition, users can share software stored on servers, so organizations don't need to install programs on every computer, helping reduce costs. Thanks to network, communication becomes more convenient through emails, online meetings, and cloud service. Overall, computer network play an important role in improving efficiency, connectivity, and information exchange in modern society.